Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determinants. Example 1.24. If matrix A is equal to minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1 and matrix B is equal to 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 2, 1, 3. Then find the product of matrix AB and matrix BA and hence solve the system of equation x minus y plus z is equal to 4. X minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 9 and 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 1. First, I am going to write the given matrix A and B. Then I am going to find the product of AB. So AB matrix is equal to, so now I am going to multiply these two matrix. So which is equal to, so first matrix multiply by first column. So here minus 4 into 1 becomes minus 4, then 4 into 1 becomes plus 4, then 4 into 2 becomes 8. Then first row multiplied by second column, minus minus positive plus 4, then 4 into minus 2 becomes minus 8, then 4 into 1 becomes plus 4. Then first row multiplied by third column, so here minus 4, then minus 8, then 4 3s are plus 12. Now second row multiplied by first column, so minus 7 into 1 becomes minus 7, 1 into 1, 1, then 3 2s are 6, then second row multiplied by second column, minus minus positive plus 7, so 1 into minus 2 becomes minus 2, then 3 into 1 becomes 3, then second row multiplied by third column, so 1 into minus 7 becomes minus 7, then 1 into minus 2 becomes minus 2, then 3 into 3 becomes plus 9. Then third row multiplied by first column, so 5 ones are 5, minus 3 into 1 becomes minus 3, then minus 1 into 2 becomes minus 2, then third row multiplied by second column, 5 into minus 1 becomes minus 5, minus 3 minus 2 becomes plus 6, then minus 1, 1 becomes minus 1, then third row multiplied by third column, so 5 ones are 5, then minus 3 minus 2 becomes plus 6, then minus 1 into 3 becomes minus 3, so which is equal to plus 4 minus 4 becomes cancel, so here 8 is the answer. Here plus 8 minus 8 becomes 0, here minus 4 minus 8 becomes plus 12, so plus 12 minus 12 becomes 0, here minus 7 plus 7 becomes 0, here 7 plus 3 becomes 10, 10 minus 2 becomes 8, then minus 7 minus 2 becomes minus 9, minus 9 plus 9 becomes 0, here 5 minus 3 minus 2 becomes minus 5, so here also 0, so here minus 5 minus 1 becomes minus 6, minus 6 plus 6 becomes 0, here 5 plus 6 becomes 11, 11 minus 3 becomes 8, so which is equal to 8 is a common multiple, so I'm going to take outside 8 of matrix becomes 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is the identity matrix of order 3, so I3. So therefore next I'm going to find BA matrix. So BA matrix is equal to, so here I'm going to multiply these two matrix, so first row multiple by first column, so 1 into minus 4 becomes minus 4, then minus 1 minus 7 becomes plus 7, then 1 into 5 becomes 5, then first row multiple by second column, 1 into 4 becomes 4, then minus 1 into 1 becomes minus 1, then 1 into minus 3 becomes minus 3, then first row multiplied by third column, 1 into 4 becomes 4, minus 1 into 3 becomes minus 3, then 1 into minus 1 becomes minus 1, then second row multiplied by first column, so 1 into minus 4 becomes minus 4, minus 2 minus 7 becomes plus 14, minus 2 into 5 becomes minus 10, then second row multiplied by second column, 1 into 4 becomes 4, minus 2 into 1 becomes minus 2, then minus 2 into minus 3 becomes plus 6, then second row multiplied by third column, 1 4s are 4, then minus 2 into 3 becomes minus 6, then minus 2 into minus 1 becomes plus 2, then third row multiplied by first column, 2 into minus 4 becomes minus 8, 1 into minus 7 becomes minus 7, 3 5s are 15 plus 15, then third row multiplied by second column, 2 4s are 8, then 1 1s are 1, then 3 3s are minus 9, then third row multiplied by last column, 2 4s are 8, 1 3s are plus 3, then 3 minus 1s are minus 3, which is equal to, so here 7 plus 5 becomes 12 minus 4 becomes plus 8, here 4, here minus 4 becomes 0, here 4 minus 3 minus 1 becomes minus 4, so 4 minus 4 becomes 0, then here 14 minus 14 becomes 0, here 6 plus 4 becomes 10, 10 minus 2 becomes plus 8, here 4 plus 2 becomes 6, 6 minus 6 becomes 0, here minus 8 minus 7 becomes minus 15, so minus 15 plus 15 becomes 0, here 8 plus 1 becomes 9, 9 minus 9 becomes 0, here plus 3 minus 3 will be cancelled, so remaining 8, so which is equal to, so 8 is a common multiple, so taking outside of the matrix, so remaining 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, so which is equal to, so 8 times of identity matrix with order 3, so then get AB is equal to BA is equal to 8 times of identity matrix with order 3, so now, so multiple by 8 இருக்குனால I am going to introduce division, so divided by 8, so 1 by 8 times of AB, which is equal to 1 by 8 times of BA is equal to 8 8 will be cancelled, so remaining identity matrix, so choose any one from this, 1 by 8 times of AB is equal to identity matrix, so we need here B inverse, so I'm going to multiple by B inverse, so we get, here I'm going to apply post multiple, okay, 1 by 8 times of B inverse, which is equal to identity matrix with the B inverse, here already we know the property, B inverse becomes identity, so 1 by 8 times of A into identity matrix, which is equal to, so any matrix oda identity matrix multiply பண்ணும்போது we get the original matrix, so here B inverse, because from the result I'm going to use here, so now B inverse is equal to 1 by 8 times of A identity, so next using this property, so B inverse which is equal to 1 by 8 of A matrix, so next I'm going to use this condition. Now I'm going to write the system of linear equation, becomes first one x minus y plus z is equal to 4, second one x minus 2y minus 2z which is equal to 9, so third equation 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 1. So this system of linear equation can be written as in the form of matrix. So here, so coefficient of x becomes 1 1 2, coefficient of y becomes minus 1, minus 2, 1. Then coefficient of z becomes 1, minus 2, 3. Then xy z matrix, which is equal to constant number, becomes constant matrix 4, 9, 1. So I'm going to give the name for the matrix. So I'm going to give the name for B, because already question la given data work B matrix. So 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2 2 1 3 is considered as matrix B. So I'm going to give the name for B. So here I'm going to give the matrix X. Here I'm going to give the new name C. So we need X. So I'm going to pre-multiple by B inverse. We get B inverse into C. Already we know the condition B inverse becomes 1 by 8 times of A. Now I'm going to apply this condition. Therefore, X is equal to 1 by 8 times of A into C. B inverse bala idu replace பண்ணியாச்சு. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the A matrix and C matrix. X is equal to 1 by 8 times of A matrix becomes minus 4, 4, 4, then minus 7, 1, 3, then 5, minus 3, minus 1, then C matrix becomes 4, 9, 1. So I'm going to multiply these two matrix. So this is a 3 by 3 cross matrix. This is 3 cross 1 matrix. So first row matrix oda column, second matrix oda row will be equal. So answer matrix becomes 3 by 1. So I'm going to multiply first row into first column. 4 fours are minus 16. 4 into 9 becomes plus 36. 4 into 1 becomes plus 4. Then second row multiplied by first column. So minus 7 into 4 becomes minus 28. Then 1 into 9 becomes 9. Then 3 into 1 becomes 3. Third row multiplied by first column. 5 fours are 20. Minus 3 into 9 becomes minus 27. Here minus 1 into plus 1 becomes minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 8 times of here minus 16. 36 plus 4 becomes plus 40. So next one minus 28. Here 9 plus 3 becomes 12. Here 20 minus of 27. Here 1. So 28. So next, which is equal to 1 by 8 times of here 40 minus 16 becomes plus 24. Here minus 28 plus 12 becomes minus 16. Here 20 minus 28 becomes minus 8. So which is equal to, so 1 by 8 inside கொண்டு போயிடலாம். So 24 by 8. Next one minus 16 by 8. Third one minus 8 by 8. Then which is equal to 1 8s are 8, 3 8s are 24. Then 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are, so minus 2. So 1 8s are, so minus 1 is the X matrix. So X matrix becomes small xy z matrix. Therefore x comma y comma z becomes 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 1.